Hey y'all, check out this auto darkening welding helmet from ARCCAPTAIN. This looks kind of cool. I've been trying it out around here, doing some welding, doing some cutting, doing some grinding. This thing's good for it all. So it has a shield for grinding, a shield for cutting, and then an auto darkening innards for doing welding. So on the side, you can kind of turn up and down how much it darkens, and then switches for grind, cut, or weld. On the other side, you got some more doodads. This is how fast it'll go from dark to light. So if you go dark, will it go back fast? Will it go back slow? Will it go back medium? That's how you affect that. And then sensitivity, min to max. Like how bright does the flash have to be before this thing darkens? So you can change that on the side too. A lot of adjustments on it to fit on your dome. This little clicky-clacky one on the back, so when you put it on your head, you can tighten it down. Another one for the top, another one for the front of your head, so it's touching your head in 3 spots. That's good. And then on the inside, kind of hard to see, but pretty wide viewing area on the main lens here. And then 2 little viewing windows on the side that are tinted, so you shouldn't jack up your vision on the sides. It does have the protective vision on the sides, but it gives you a more clear view of what you're doing. As far as the clarity of the lens itself goes, pretty clear. These auto darkeners, they still tint your vision, but I didn't have a hard time seeing through this one at all. It seems like a pretty decent helmet overall. Time will tell, but I'm going to keep using it around here. It's pretty comfortable. It's got a soft like sweatband on the front of it. It was pretty easy to figure out my fit. Pretty easy to tighten these down. An appropriate amount. And yeah, not too bad of a tinted vision when the hood's down. So overall, pretty happy with this one.